Welcome back. In this video, we're discussing on analysis of chi-square. Chi-square is a statistical tool that is sufficient to measure relationship between variables, and this is very more possible using SPSS. So just go to your SPSS. We have the data set that is here. Now we have data set on GPA, we have data set on the sex, gender. Let's see, maybe there's a relationship between the GPA of students and the gender of the respondents. Then let's go to analyze, descriptive statistics. We'll go to cross tabs. Then you click on statistics. Click on chi-square. You continue. We have GPA and sex, which is gender, which was, of course, from here, take GPA and bring sex, which is gender here. So click OK to see the results. So check the output window. So, see the chi-square results. The chi-square tests results. From this, we have the significant value, we have the Pearson chi-square, we have the likelihood ratio, we have the linear ratio, association. We are much more interested in the significant value under the chi-square results. From this, we see the value of chi-square is 45.472, and we have the degree of freedom to be 48, and we have the probability value to be 0.577. From these results, we can conclude that there is no significant relationship between the GPA of students and their gender. Why? Because the probability value is 0.577, which is greater than 0.05 significant value. So in this, we can conclude that there is no significant relationship between the gender of the students in relation to their performance, which is measured using the GPA. Thank you very much. And in our next video, we'll be seeing more analysis on correlation. Thank you.